Kickstarting our tool exploration with the Prazi Beam Cutter model PR2700. This gem offers efficient beam cutting capabilities, making it a favorite among customers. Its time-saving benefits and versatility are undeniable. Its unique design ensures straight, splinter-free cuts every time. The Prazi Beam Cutter can handle depths up to 12 inches, making it perfect for cutting through large beams and logs. So, if you're eyeing a tool that's a cut above the rest, the Prazi Beam Cutter is your go-to. And guess what? It can be all yours for just $200. Next on the list, the BORA MiteriX Angle Duplicator, a tool that banishes miter cut guesswork. This nifty device measures the exact miter angle you need, then effortlessly transfers that angle right to your miter saw. No more guesswork, no more wasted materials. And it's not just for one type of project. Whether you're working on crown molding, wood casing, baseboard, or trim, the BORA MiteriX has got you covered. It's all about precision, simplicity, and versatility. Get precise with BORA MiteriX, yours for a clever $40. Plunge into efficiency with the TeraPlunge. This air-powered plunger is a game changer, designed to assist you with the often daunting task of unclogging drains. Its clever design makes it easy to use while ensuring effective removal of blockages. Say goodbye to messy, manual plunging, and let the power of air pressure do the work for you. A must-have tool for maintaining clear drains with minimal effort. The TeraPlunge, a breath of fresh air for your drains, available for $25. Cutting tight corners with the RIDGID C-Style Close Quarters Copper Tubing Cutter. This nifty little tool is designed to tackle copper tubing ranging from 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. It's a small tool with a big impact thanks to its spring-loaded cutter wheel. This feature ensures consistent pressure, resulting in precise cuts every time. And if you're working in tight spaces, no worries, it even includes screwdriver slots for added leverage. So, whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is worth adding to your kit. The RIDGID C-Style Tubing Cutters, slicing through the competition at $20. Stick to perfection with the GlueMate 150 and 450. These tools boast a unique two-chamber design that allows for precise glue application, a real game changer for all those intricate DIY projects. The GlueMate 150 and GlueMate 450 come with precision applicators and interchangeable nozzles for various applications. No more messy workstations or wasted product, just pure, unadulterated precision. Whether you're assembling furniture, repairing household items, or creating art, GlueMate provides the versatility and reliability you need. So, if you're ready to elevate your gluing game, look no further. The GlueMate 150 and 450, the ultimate adhesive accomplice. Yours for only $10. Rolling into the next review with the ContainGO shipping container end wheels. These wheels are a game changer for moving empty or lightly loaded containers on smooth, hard surfaces. What sets them apart is their easy, tool-free installation. Once mounted, they allow for smooth, efficient transport of containers with just a light-duty forklift. Plus, they're kinder to your containers and ground surfaces, significantly reducing damage compared to traditional methods. With each kit including 2 end wheels and attachment pins for mounting, these wheels are a must-have for sectors like disaster relief, shipping container hauling, portable storage, and industrial services. ContainGO shipping container. End wheels. Setting things in motion for just $300. Sift through the details of the RS400 Scheppach. This isn't just any sieve. It's designed to handle large quantities of soil, compost, or other materials, making it a must-have for any serious gardener. Its adjustable drum angle and different mesh widths give you control over the refining process. Whether it's soil for your flower beds or compost for your vegetable patch, the RS400 Scheppach delivers the consistency you need. The RS400 Scheppach, a garden game changer. All yours for $430. Dive deeper with us as we take a look at the Gem Increment borers. This tool is pivotal in evaluating the quality, rate of growth, and the age of trees and timber. It has a variety in size, each one carefully equipped with PTFE-coated steel bits, ensuring enhanced durability. But the features don't stop there. Not only does it offer a plethora of sizes, but it also extends to providing replacement parts and complementary products like holsters and stones. This ensures your Gem Increment borer is always primed for action. When the core of the matter is your focal point, the Gem Increment borers stands as your ultimate tool. Experience a remarkable increase in your efficiency with the Pro Glue Dot Dispenser, a game changer in the world of adhesive tools. Specifically engineered for seamless application of glue dots, this dispenser caters to both hobbyists and professionals alike. Its lightweight design ensures effortless handling, making it a user-friendly option in the adhesive industry. The Pro Glue Dot Dispenser is also used for its versatility, able to accommodate a wide range of glue dot sizes. This feature greatly simplifies the process of varying adhesive applications, catering to multiple project needs. This dispenser allows you to speed up your projects without compromising on precision, striking a balance between speed and accuracy. With its reasonable price tag of only $40. Cutting to the chase with the F4P Adjustable Hole Cutter Kit. The kit includes an adjustable hole cutter, a sturdy pilot drill bit, and an easy-to-read scale for accurate measurements. It boasts a remarkable adjustability range from 40 millimeters all the way up to 300 millimeters. Whether you're working on a small DIY project or a large construction task, this kit has got you covered. It's a versatile tool that can adapt to your specific cutting needs. The F4P Adjustable Hole Cutter Kit. Your versatile cutting companion, priced at $50. Peel back the layers with the BASEH Curved Log Debarker. This tool isn't just about removing bark, it's about precision and control. With its ability to adjust the peeling thickness and a solid steel arm that's undergone special heat treatment, this debarker is designed to tackle any log. And let's not forget its speed. It operates at a maximum speed of 13,000 RPM, ensuring efficient and effective debarking. So, whether you're a seasoned lumberjack or a DIY enthusiast, the BASEH Curved Log Debarker will make sure your bark peeling tasks are a walk in the woods. The BASEH Curved Log Debarker, a bark peeler's best friend, at just $70. Chiseling with the OPTIMA Chisel Plane. Let's talk versatility and precision. This tool is a master of many tasks, whether it's mortising, dovetailing, paring, or doing small-scale work. It comes with a spear point blade that's perfect for reaching those tight spots. The iron is lapped and polished for accurate cutting, with a shallow bevel angle that makes paring across end grain fibers a breeze. And it's not just about performance. The chisel plane is made of cryogenically treated A2 tool steel with a rigid aluminum body and a resin-infused maple tote. With removable and interchangeable blades, you're always ready for the next task. The OPTIMA Chisel Plane, your woodworking wizard, now only $120.